Hey, how's it going guys? Assad here, and you're gonna learn about compare exchange method, which is a part of atomic constructor. So so what we're gonna do is remove those and create a variable called buffer and create a new shared array buffer and pass 16. Now what we're gonna do is create uint 8 and use the constructor for uint 8 array inside that we will pass buffer. And now what we're gonna do is we will pass the first element as 5. Now what we're gonna do is atomics dot compare exchange, use that method and pass. First we're gonna pass that array uint 8, now then 0 to 5 and with 2. So if we log it on a console with atomics.load method, it's gonna return 2 because we done the 2 output. So log it on a console, atomics.load uint 8 comma 0. When you do that, we'll get 2. Now if we go and type atomic dot again we use that method compare exchange and comma uint 8 comma 0 comma 5 comma 4. Now what we're gonna do is we will again log it on a console and atomics dot load uint 8 comma 0. If we do that, it will show 2. Yeah. So hope you understand. That's for today's video. See you guys in the next tutorials.